Hey guys, what's up? My name is Elise and this is my YouTube channel, The Crunchy Ginger. And this is The Crunchy Ginger. The Crunchy Ginger. And this is The Crunchy Ginger. Every week I share a tip, a trick, or a DIY to help you live a little greener and save a little money. Oh, that looks beautiful. Wow!
Excuse me, Mommy.
It's almost like a sandpapery kind of thing. Melt it in here together. Perfect. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Not that I ever have crayon on my walls. But you don't really need to sew for a project like this. And it looks like we're there. I think anybody would be happy to get a gift like this. And if that sounds like something that you're into, I would love it if you would subscribe so that we could keep in touch. Please subscribe to this channel. I put out a video every week and I would love to see you again soon. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so very much. Thank you so much. It means so much to me. I hope to see you soon. I'll see you again soon. Thank you so much for watching.